Hey guys, I'm gonna tell you before I start a little story. When I was little, my brother was like 6, 7 years older than me. He used to work at the factory and he used to bring me the Kinder eggs, but only the eggs, no chocolate. So before they put the chocolate on it, he used to get like a big box, like one or two, and it had like 200, 300 in them. And I used to open all of them. I loved them. I was like 7 or 8 or six to 8 years old, and the toys before used to be even more fun because you used to have bunch of parts to put them together. This was like 1992, 1993. So anyways guys, so we decided, me and my wife, to bring the old memories back, and it brings me that feeling back because I love it. So I decided the other day, I went to Walmart and I got something. I got this big baby right here. This biggest Kinder they had, and I bought it. It was a little bit expensive, but you know what? I decided to get it because I like it. So let's today cut it. Let's see what's inside first. Let's cut this little thing. And then so let's see what's here. Okay, so it has a little tape right here. Cut this. Guys, I never opened one of these before. Never. This is first, isn't it? This is first one time buying one. Oh yeah. This first time ever. So this brings me big memories. But the Kinders we had before were small, like the regular one. And I used to play with the toys all the time. I had every single toy in the planet, every color, every shape. Let's see this now. So let's open this. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Okay. I feel so good. It feels so good grabbing it. I just wanna crush it. Okay, let's see. I don't want. I'm gonna try not to break it, guys. I'm gonna try to do it with my hands. And my hands I clean, by the way. I wash them. Let's see. I think I'm gonna use a scissors. No. I'm gonna try to do it without breaking it. Ah, yes. Yes. Hold on. A tiny little piece broke. Let's see what's inside, guys. What do you think this is? I'll say a car. Like a little car, a big car, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what this is. Guys, I'm gonna be doing, hopefully if I get a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a lot of these every week. I'm gonna be doing like once or twice a week if I get a lot of subscribers. Oh, I'm right. It's a car. Holy, dude, this looks sick. Hold on. This looks sick, guys. Okay, so let's see. It's a monster car. I had a feeling because I seen some picture, but I didn't know what. I don't know if they're all cars. Okay, so oops, excuse me. Okay, so hold on. Let me fix this paper. It has some instructions. Hey, I know you kids out there are professional. Don't laugh at me, okay? I'm not like you. So this is first. Okay, this part right here, what is number one? This number one, and then that's number two. So the engine goes. Hold on, guys. Be patient with me. So this goes right here. No. Yeah, this is perfect. So this is here, and this one, obviously this is the front. Maybe it goes from inside. I don't know. Oh, maybe I was supposed to put this first. Oh, this goes here first, I think. Oh, I get it. No, you do put this on. Okay, leave this on. Let's see. And then, no, I think you put this on first, the hood. Mm, guys, be patient with me, okay? Don't get mad. I'm trying to figure out. So okay, I put this on. Okay, this sits here. This sits there. Okay. I guess, right? That looks right to me. Okay, that's done. So now you have this. This goes in here somewhere. Where is it? This goes in the tires. Help me, guys. Okay, this goes from this way. This way, yeah, facing this way. So this goes in here. It's not going in. Okay, 1 second. Or maybe this way. This way?
Why don't you just follow the direction?
I did. That's how it says.
Oh, that's what it says.
I
Okay.
think that's what it says.
Yeah, nice.
That's what it, so oh, I was supposed to just put this after. That's okay. Okay, so this was supposed to be after, but anyways, we managed. So now we get the tires on. So these tires, so when you put this on, one tire going here. Which one is the back? Are they same? They're same. So one goes in the back. Okay, so one goes in the back. Are they same? Yeah. Okay, maybe this way. Okay, no, just maybe this way. Okay, I know it says. So let's say this is facing down. This is for that side. Okay, this shows this side. That's the back. Or this way. This is the front. Okay. I think this is the one. In this way. Oh yeah, we got it. It's like, oh, it's like a spring. It's like shocks. Sorry guys, I know I'm not good at it. Oh my god, I love this. Woo! Okay, let's decorate it. Guys, I used to love these and now I love them again. I'm gonna keep buying them every week now. Every week. If I see a lot of subscribers and people enjoying it like me, I'm gonna do it. It's very expensive, but I'm gonna do it. It's very, very expensive, this one, eh? It was like, what, 13 bucks? Yeah. So now Where's the picture? Last picture of it. It's supposed to look like this is the one I have. So the lights, where are the lights? Okay, these lights, they go in here, these ones. Those lights, see these lights? Freaking love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. Okay, I love this. And now in the back, I love this. Yes. What else? So this is like the fenders. I wonder where these sit. This must have a spot. Okay, this goes somewhere. Let's not get it wrong. Where do you think this goes? Where's the pictures? Doesn't show that much. This gotta go somewhere. Here? I don't know. Okay, eyes. Is there another picture? So okay, windows. Let's do the windows. Okay, I'll figure that one out. Let's finish every possible way and then we do that one. You know what I mean? Let's do whatever we can. So the windows. This is done. This is done. Sorry guys, sorry. But you know what? This is natural. I never did this before. That's why. So it's straightforward. I'm not trying to like cheat or do anything. I'm just doing it like as we go. I know it's hard for me, but I'm trying to figure out. So okay, I got this. Can you help me? What do you think these are for? What is this for?
Let me see.
This one. Where do you think this goes?
Look at the picture.
I did.
Look at the turn it around.
Oh, so here we go. Like this.
At the back, maybe?
Here?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Let me see it.
This I think everything has.
Let me see what the thing is. Let me see the picture, the sticker.
I have this one, and I have this one. This one goes here maybe. And there is this one. This pink one. Do you see anything pink? Where does this is the hood, right? Where does this go? Let's see. Does it match?
I
here?
think you made it wrong. It's supposed to be that the mouth opens.
Yeah, the mouth is open.
Does it open? Oh, it opens. So then it goes inside the mouth, the tongue and stuff like that.
How do you open the mouth though?
When you press down on it, does the mouth open?
No. Let me see.
Yeah, when you hold on, when you push. It says when you push this, the mouth is supposed to open.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I did something wrong then.
Maybe.
Okay, so hold on. Okay, let me just put it back. Hold on. So you said the mouth's supposed to open when you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so oh, I get it. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to be. Like this is supposed to be here. So when you push this down.
Yeah, follow if you follow the pictures it shows you, and then you have to put like the stickers on first.
Yeah, but what do you pick? Okay, so I got this right. This is what? What is this? Hold on. So this is this the mouth? This is how it goes? No. Ah, I can get it.
The gray piece.
This?
The gray piece first.
This one?
No, the big gray piece, you put the sticker on, the tongue on it.
This?
Look here. The part of the car before you put the wheels. That's what it's showing.
Let me see. Yeah, so this goes. Okay, this is the front. I get it. Okay, so this is the front. Oh, okay. So this goes here this way. Oh, I get it. Okay, so this way. That's the tongue, I think. No, this way. That's the tongue. Like that. There. Huh. Okay, that's like that, you think? I assume? That looks like it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me see more.
Number 2 is you have to put the other stickers on now.
Okay, let me see.
On the body, on the other piece.
On here?
No, on the top piece. The black top piece, the part.
This?
Not a sticker, the actual part of the car, right there. The
What-
actual part of the
I
car,
know.
look, see, number 2. You have to put the stickers on it.
Okay. So I got the window. This goes where? To the back? Oh, here. Okay, I got it. So this goes here to the trunk. Yep, this trunk. Okay. Now I got this goes on top here. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so this is the top. Perfect. Now we have these little things. What are these? This goes where? This goes to the side somewhere. Oh, here. These are like corners here. Perfect. This goes here, I think. Nope. Maybe this side. Oh man, I suck at this. Okay. This doesn't make sense. This way? You think that makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just I don't think this sits here. Okay, let's see. I guess it does. I don't know. I guess. Okay. So these ones, that's it. Just 2 more pieces and done. So this goes, this one, this one. This goes somewhere at the door. Yeah. Got that there by accident, you know that? I didn't even know it goes there. Somehow I put it and it said, okay, it's good.
That piece goes in through the bottom. Did you put it through the bottom?
Which one?
That pointy piece. See? It goes through the bottom. You see? Number 4. Is that how it is?
No.
Put it through the bottom.
Like this?
The other way.
It's not going. I tried.
Yeah?
Like this way?
Yeah.
Oh. But what's the difference? Same thing when you put it.
No, so when you push it, the mouth is gonna open.
Oh, I see. When you put it the other way, it wasn't working. Okay, I
Mhm.
get it. I get it. Good job, D. Good job. Good job. So now. Oh. So now we go like this. Right? Okay, so now. So let's see now if it's gonna work like we. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Oh, 6. Let's see. Look at the tongue. I love this. You know, I love that it has shocks like that. I used to have bicycle and it had to be like have shocks. Like I used to love it. Like it bounced back and forth. Okay, now let's go, baby. Cut the video. Let's go eat. That's it, finished.